In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota CHR key fob and change the internal battery at home. Now you might be looking at this and saying, hey, mine looks a little different. Well, if it looks similar, but perhaps it only has 3 buttons, don't worry, it's the same device, the same battery and the same procedure to open it up. So just go ahead and follow along. You will need one of these CR2032 batteries. And if you'd like to get that on Amazon, if you'd like to get it online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the first step here, just jumping right in, we're going to hold down this switch on the bottom of the device, hold that back, and pull out the internal key. And now with a regular flathead screwdriver, we're going to look, here is the keyhole, and then perpendicular to this hole, there is this little slot in the plastic. So we want to go into this little area, and we're holding the device loosely and just twisting the screwdriver, and this will come apart. Now we can set this down and kind of wiggle out or pull out this piece of rubber and the battery housing here. So just pretending that it all fell apart on you, we're gonna put it back together on the end, so don't worry about that for now. We will need a tool that will fit into this little area. I'm gonna set my big screwdriver to the side now. You can probably use a smaller screwdriver if you have one laying around. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver because we want to go in that area and just pry the battery out. And if you have something that fits, it'll be super easy. If you don't, you might kind of mess up the plastic here. So I would recommend, if you don't have something like this, I'll actually leave a link down in the description to get some of these on Amazon. Again, it's just a couple bucks. You get this whole set, the same one that I have here. But otherwise, I'd say just go grab a paper clip, kind of bend that out and try to get in there and pry the battery out. Whatever will fit in this area, and that is, kind of sturdy, you can just stick it in there and pry the battery out. Now go ahead and get rid of your old battery, take a new one, and again, that's a CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side is facing up so you can see that text. You wanna click it in there and make sure you can see that text. That's how we want it. And now let's put everything back together. So this just sits right into the rubber component there, and then the rubber on top of these buttons. Make sure it sits down in there securely. And finally, we just click the back into place. Click it all back in there, and of course you can put your internal key back in there. And the light will come on, meaning your battery is charged and you followed all the steps correctly. So good job on that one. And I really hope that video helped you out. And if it did, you can let me know down in the comments, or maybe just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing the battery in any of your other key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.